What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and if you can't tell already, we are about to wash the Delsol. Haven't washed it in a long time, so I think now is definitely the time to do so. And I know by the title of the video, you guys are probably thinking, what do you mean goodbye? Are you selling Delsol? No. As you guys know, here in Ontario, we have winter, and I do not drive this thing in winter. So it's a very sad day because today is the day that the Delsol will be going into hibernation, and I won't be driving it until, of course, the spring comes back around. So I kind of figured, why not get it all cleaned up and prepped. I'm gonna drive it for a bit, get some gas, take some pictures and stuff like that. Hey guys, this is it, like the final drive for the year. It's times like these where I wish I lived in a place like Florida or California or Arizona or Texas that has like sunny weather all year round, so I'd be able to drive it and stuff all year round, but sadly that's not the case. Anyway guys, we're gonna go ahead and wash this car up and get it all nice and clean. We're gonna be using Vash Auto Care's car shampoo, so this is the stuff right here. If you guys do want some, be sure to use my code DOSEOFJ to get 10% off at checkout. Same thing with this glass cleaner. You're welcome. Now that the car is all clean, there's only one step left. That's the glass cleaner. Million times better. Now just to go ahead and do all the rest. And just like that, she is all clean. I'm telling you guys, use this stuff. It works wonders, I'm telling you. Now that we're done cleaning and washing the Delsol, all that's left to do now is to go and fill up on gas because I am low. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead, start her right up. Now let's get this gas because, as you can see, we're low. We made it to the gas station. So let's go ahead and get a little fill going on. I always bring a little towel just to do that because I do not want that gas to go onto my paint. Feels so good to be driving this thing again, for real. Absolutely love it. So I found this place out of nowhere. So I was just driving randomly and I found this spot right here. Like guys, look at this place. It's like a nice little roundabout too. Like, this is cool. So in case you guys are wondering how I even find spots to film, I literally just drive randomly, take random turns and stuff, and I end up finding some nice like shooting locations. And I think here is like perfect. got all the photos and the videos that I could. This road is pretty nice too, because it's like a straightaway road and it's pretty empty, so I feel like we're just gonna do a couple pulls here, even though this car is slow. So don't expect anything crazy. I don't know if I can even do this one-handed, but I'll try my best, guys. Just so fun to drive. I really cannot wait to bring it to shows and meets for you guys. I hope you guys will enjoy this car as much as I do, because man, it's not the fastest, but so fun to drive. What I actually want to do, guys, is, since it is the last day with this thing, let's hear it from the outside. So I'm gonna set you guys up right over here. Actually, I'm gonna put you guys over here. I don't know how that sounded or not. I guess I won't know until I edit this video, but what do you guys think? New exhaust? I mean, either way it's getting a new exhaust, but not anytime soon, because I'm kind of okay with the exhaust note right now. Other than that, I'm gonna bring this thing back home. The final drive has been really good. I've been loving it. It makes me not want to stop driving this thing. Every time I get into this car, I don't want to stop driving it. Look at that view, guys. Isn't that like gorgeous, that sunset? I mean, this building's kind of in the way, but it's kind of like pink clouds. Why do we have to have winter, really? Like, or if winter can just be like 2 months or 3 months, I'd be totally cool with that. But the winters here in Ontario are just way too long. It's like pretty much like 5 months almost, which is crazy. I've had my fun. It's gonna be a long few months before we take this thing back out again. There's the Speed 3, guys, just chilling. Yeah, that's it, guys. And just like that, this is where she will remain for the next like 4 months. So crazy. I can't believe this is the final drive. Like, oh man. At least I can look forward to the change of this car next year, guys. It will have its wheels, and the suspension will be on its way, and a few little other goodies that I got, but we'll make an install video about those later. For those of you who live in those all around sunny conditions and don't have to store your car, man, I'm so jealous of you guys. Like, that's the one thing I wish we had here, but there's nothing you can do about it, you know? Anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna end it on this note. Got some other stuff to do, and I gotta do some stuff with the Speed, but I'll catch you guys in the next video. I hope you guys did enjoy this one, and let me know if you guys store your guys' car, or do you guys drive it all year round? Let me know in the comments down below. Please give this video a fat thumbs up. All right, subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out. Stay humble. Stay blessed. Peace. it.